Welcome to the CRM Integration Walkthrough. In this video, we'll explore how to connect Cloudspire Voice with your CRM platform. Cloudspire supports 3 major CRM providers, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM, using standard OAuth authorization. Once connected, the integration provides automatic contact synchronization, call logging to CRM records, click-to-call from your CRM, and screen pop links that open CRM contact pages during incoming calls. All of this works at the tenant level, so each tenant can connect to their own CRM account independently. Let's start by logging in. Navigate to PBX Management and click the CRM Integration tab under Resources. This is the CRM management screen for Wicked Sprockets. The tab has 2 main areas. At the top, you'll see any active CRM connections. Each card shows the provider name, connection status, the number of contacts synced against the plan limit, the last synced timestamp with a status badge, the OAuth token expiry, call log queue statistics showing synced, pending, and failed counts, and a link to the CRM phonebook. Below the connection card, the Connect CRM section lets you set up a new integration. The layout gives you a complete overview of CRM health, contact sync status, call logging progress, and token validity, all on one screen. To connect a new CRM, scroll down to the Connect CRM card. The tenant dropdown shows which tenant you're configuring. It's locked when you've selected a specific tenant from the header. The CRM provider dropdown lists all providers that have been configured at the platform level: Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho. Only providers with valid OAuth app credentials in system settings appear here. Each provider uses the standard OAuth multi-tenant model. One OAuth app per provider handles all customer authorizations. Select your provider and click Connect CRM to begin the authorization flow. Before connecting, the customer must have a CRM billing plan enabled in account management. Tenants without an active CRM plan are shown as disabled in the dropdown. The billing plan also sets the contact sync limit, how many CRM contacts are imported into the phonebook system. When you click Connect CRM, the system builds a secure OAuth state, including a unique nonce, timestamp, and for Salesforce, a PKCE code challenge, then redirects the browser to the CRM provider's authorization page. The tenant administrator signs into their CRM account and grants Cloudspire access to contacts and call logging. Once authorized, the provider redirects back to Cloudspire's OAuth callback, which exchanges the authorization code for access and refresh tokens. Tokens are encrypted with AES 256 before storage. The system automatically creates a CRM phonebook for the tenant to hold synced contacts. For Salesforce, the callback also provisions the click-to-call soft phone panel. A visual force page, JavaScript static resource, and CSP trusted site are deployed directly into the customer's Salesforce org. The entire flow is seamless. One click to connect, authorize in the CRM, and you're integrated. Once connected, contact synchronization runs automatically on an hourly cron schedule. The sync worker fetches contacts from the CRM using paginated API calls, normalizes phone numbers to E164 format, and upserts them into the tenant's CRM phonebook. The contacts synced field shows the current count against the billing plan limit. Here we have contacts synced with the plan's limit. The last sync field shows when the last sync ran and whether it succeeded. If the token expires, the system automatically refreshes it with a 5-minute buffer. CRM contacts appear throughout the platform in caller ID lookups for incoming calls, in the portal contact search, in AI agent caller identification, and in phone directory downloads for desk phones. The Sync Now button triggers an immediate manual sync if you've just added contacts in the CRM and don't want to wait for the next scheduled run. The phonebook link takes you to the Phonebooks tab where you can browse all synced contacts. CRM phonebooks are read only since they're managed by the integration. Below the connection details, the call activity log table shows recent call logging activity. Every 5 minutes, the call log sync worker checks recent CDR records for tenants with a connected CRM. When a caller's phone number matches a CRM contact in the phone book, the call is queued for logging to the CRM. Each row shows the call time, direction, inbound or outbound, the caller name and number, the destination, the matched CRM contact, call duration, disposition, sync status, and the CRM activity ID once synced. Status badges indicate whether the call was successfully synced, is still pending, or failed. Failed entries show the error message and will be retried up to 5 times. The call log queue statistics at the top of the card, synced, pending, and failed counts, give you a quick health check. Call logging captures the full context. Caller name resolution falls back to the CRM phone book when the caller ID is empty, and call direction is determined from the CDR channel pattern. CRM integration also enables screen pop and click to call. Every synced contact stores a direct URL to their CRM record, the external URL field. When an incoming call matches a CRM contact, the portal and phone directory can display a link that opens the contact's CRM record in one click. That's screen pop. For click-to-call, the integration works differently per provider. Salesforce uses the Open CTI framework. The OAuth callback automatically deploys a soft phone panel into the Salesforce Lightning utility bar. Agents click a phone number in Salesforce, and the system originates a call through the PEX using the full dialing logic, PJSIP contacts, WebRTC endpoints, and Follow Me. HubSpot and Zoho use their own telephony widget frameworks with assigned API endpoint. For Salesforce, there are a few manual steps after connecting: importing the call center XML file, adding users to the call center, and enabling the soft phone in the Lightning app utility bar. The Download Call Center XML button provides the configuration file. The disconnect button revokes the OAuth token, removes all synced contacts, and clears the call log queue, effectively a clean slate reset. That covers CRM integration in the admin console. Here's a quick recap. Cloudspire Voice integrates with Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM through standard OAuth authorization. One click to connect, secure token storage, and automatic refresh. Contact sync runs hourly, importing CRM contacts into the phonebook system with E164 phone normalization and billing plan limits. Synced contacts appear in caller ID lookups, portal searches, AI agent identification, and phone directories. No extra configuration needed. Call logging automatically pushes CDR records to the CRM every 5 minutes, matching calls to contacts with retry logic and full metadata. Click to Call lets agents originate calls directly from the CRM with auto-provisioned Open CTI for Salesforce. And Screen Pop links provide one-click access to CRM records during incoming calls. The CRM tab gives you a complete dashboard: connection health, sync status, token validity, and call log activity, all in one place. Check the documentation link below for the complete reference guide.